up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah.
Hi guys, good day. Today is a beautiful day outside. I don't know your girl Melica Skylife in the building. Yo, I wanted them. So today is Tuesday morning and I am heading to Border Jerk. I'm not gonna eat any jerk chicken. I'm not sure if they have fish there. Because the fish alone me eat. Chances are they don't have fish. But I'll show you what I get there if I do get something. But Border Jerk is located on the border of Montego Bay and Westmoreland. You can get authentic Jamaican food there. So if you're coming to Jamaica, that's a great spot for the soup, cow skin. I'm not eat meat now, but I'm used to eat it. Tell you, 10 finger and 10 toe. Lick off, me I tell you. So please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, and definitely show the love. Leave a comment in the comment section below. For years I travel the road there, no boy. Lord fire. I'm traveling on that patrol. Hey man, frighten me. Where you idiot they go you? Nowhere. You hear boy news like? One guy, I lift up one tire. I lift up one tire, Romeo. I lift you go lift up the tire. They lift up the tire now. If the tire explode. I'm bust up in bed. Fling him away here, kill him, broke him up. Yeah man, he's wicked in America. The hospital how long his family them not go for him. Can't bury him. You see, truck tire. You see the wire in that truck tire. That's when that bus and leak out so come like you know, like one little mini explosion. Yeah. Jesus Christ. Mash him up. Tractor tire is not dangerous. I want 20-pound tire. It's a big tire. It's not a regular tire. 20-pound tire, big though. Like tractor tire. Some big tire damage. You might hear man. So if somebody like if somebody like comfy like stab the tire like can damage them. Don't. Them the big tire they will explode for that boy there, you can't stop them the tire. You know what wool heap of here and them if you want big tire, that truck tire. Me hate the clothes line front the yard. Don't time to go back here. But TikTok one man like in the yes on him a reverse. The reverse, what the reverse? I want one way road like one little slide corner did it. Boop! One next man running in our back. I will get wrong that way, you know. What again? The man a reverse from one little road, a little one way road in our community. But a car is coming the right way in the road, coming down, but there was a little corner. So the man coming down licking our back, but the man went a reverse at the same time. You understand? I'm on the reverse and we get the wrong one. But then say anybody was licking a back wrong. Reverse, man, reverse now. I can't look up on my right now. Get a reverse. You see me frightened too, you know. I think that somebody are doing and catch you on camera though. Oh, them are sitting here. Pin have money to put up, them are sitting here. And Joanne, the politician them. Watch out. If they're held, stealing money. Like if they're not the right thing, they're gonna get kicked out of the government. And ramp with them. That's why I'm saying, I know I have to say that already. But you never have to address that. That's one of the things that you address. Them factory. You open up the factory, so what they used to be? Punki.
Watch your head on.
Close fire. And catch you on camera. I used to hate driving with them. Is that really touch night? The mountains look so beautiful. What kind of mountain that around you? That thing was in a garden. Blood fire. That's out there.
Try your go, they are licking us. What? Man, drive fast.
You go overtake it. Girl, I say she want as in a market to make come. Not to keep the kids a bit of a thing set. I see you. How do you make it over here, Romeo?
Ganja place.
And look what they say, that man got prison for ganja. Wicked Romeo.
I know man could have done my feet.
I believe that they should be let go. Welcome to Border Jerk. Where are you gonna park? So guys, I am here at Border Jerk now. We're gonna get a festival. Festival only because they don't have any fish. You have kung soup? Alright, if they have kung soup, I'm gonna get kung soup and a festival. So it's a great spot for you to have authentic Jamaican pork, jerk pork if you eat that, and chicken, wicked cow skin soup, and yeah, the shrimps, real Jamaican stuff. So yeah, so if you come to Jamaica, it's a good spot. It's right on the border of St. James and Westmoreland. So it's a great spot. You can come up in the hills and chill, relax and stuff like that, take in some fresh air and stuff. So may I wait for my stuff now? Okay, so this is what the menu looks like.
You want to serve in a plantain? A plantain?
No, and it's festival before. This is what the menu looks like. No fish, but they have chicken and stuff like that. Jerk pork and festival and soup. What kind of soup?
Chicken foot.
Chicken foot soup, festival, and pork. I only got festival, people. I don't eat anything else here. Just tastes good with the soup. So if you come, you get the festival and the soup. But I can't drink the soup because I cook chicken foot. Pork look good.